My name is Chris Velez. I'm a computer engineer, and my main role at the KLEVR Lab is software development and in IT support. A lot of classes on campus, they teach theory, but the KLEVR Lab really lets me broaden my horizons. Here at the SJSU King Library, I get to work with virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D scanning, motion capture, and it also gets my hands on with all the technology that Silicon Valley has to offer. What I love working here though is as a VR fan is we have all the newest headsets, all the newest tech. And I go from watching a review on it and wishing I had it to going to work and I get to work with the tech I love.
So we're gaining a lot of experience using this technology, and this technology is not just used for playing games, but it's also been used in the medical field to help train surgeons, used for analyzing 3D models or 3D scans. VR is so much more than that. You can create a whole new environment for yourself that you've never been in before.
Yeah, as an international student, it's a big step for me. My involvement in KLEVR Labs has helped me in my hunt for internships. I didn't have much experience, but KLEVR Lab has helped me gather that.
Please consider supporting this crowdfunding campaign, getting us access to the latest and greatest in technology.